Having trouble with Siri on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it. Update your iPhone and check compatibility. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update. Install the latest iOS 27 update if it's available. Next, make sure your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence works on iPhone 15 Pro and newer compatible models. Older iPhone models won't support the new Siri AI features. Check your internet connection. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off again. Activate Siri and check if it's responding normally. If Siri still isn't working, continue to the next fix. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. Release it when the Apple logo appears. Wait for your iPhone to restart completely. Check Siri restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Siri. Make sure Siri is allowed. Close the Settings app. Activate Siri and check if it's working properly. If the issue persists, reset Siri setup. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Siri. Click on the Requests option. Turn off Hey Siri. Turn off Press Side button for Siri. Wait for a few seconds. Turn both options back on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Siri again. Speak each phrase clearly during the voice setup. Once the setup is complete, activate Siri using your voice. If Siri still isn't responding, check Siri language settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll and look for the option Language and Region, and click on it. Make sure your iPhone language is set to English, United States. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down a little and tap on Siri. Select Language. Verify that it's set to English, United States. Next, tap Responses. Verify that it's set to speak back to voice input. Close settings and activate Siri again. Siri should now respond and work as expected. These are some of the most effective ways to fix Siri AI issues on iOS 27. And that's it.